Okay guys, so today I am going to work on trying to do a galaxy pour. I've done them before and they've actually turned out okay. Here's an example of one of the ones that I've worked with. But I want to do it with you guys, so let's do it together. First, some black. Pretty thick layer of black, I might add. Now I want to do something nice and dark to add to it. I think I'm going to go in with my blue. Some blue. Whoa, Amy. Look what you're doing. Going with some purple. And not so fast. But I like to go high. Gives it a little bit of... Going with the light purple. And you know what? Honestly, I'm sure there's an art to the color. Sometimes really think about it. Think about what's going to come through and pop. And I couldn't tell you the difference from times that I just boom, boom, and then go for it. Oh, we're not adding any white in here. I don't want to add too much because it will gray it. Some silver, which is heavy, that way at the bottom. I'm gonna do some more pink. Ooh, it's looking beautiful, guys. I'm excited. I am excited. Some light blue. Whoa, Amy. Do a little bit more white right here on top. And just some more of this blue. And a little bit more silver. Alright guys, so that is what we are looking at right now. It's beautiful. I'm sure you can't see it because I have the worst camera setup right now ever. So we're just going to go with it. And we're just going to hope that you're in focus and you can see. So as you see, flippy flip, super easy. I love these flips. Anybody could do them, trust me. If I could do these, anyone could do it. You see the beauty that I created here. So I just kind of flip it and then I let it set, flop it, of course, do the dance. Ooh, you can see it over here. It's looking beautiful. What I did forget to do is put wax paper under, but this particular paper that I got is for regular painters and it looks just as great. All right, guys. Whew. So guys, this is what we're working with. Absolutely gorgeous. Look at these cells. Look at how they stretched out. I am always amazed, perplexed, how beautiful this always turns out. Wow, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed this pour. I hope it turned out. And yeah, please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more pouring adventures. Cheers!